Hello friends, welcome to my organic plants garden. Friends, in this video I will tell you about goat droppings, how it is good fertilizer you can make it, and then how to use it in your garden. You can see that here I have small garlic plants which I planted in the soil about 25 to 30 days ago. They look like this, and I am going to give them an excellent fertilizer that I already have, this one. It is very simple to make, and for that the video is completely available on the channel. You can go there and check out. So friends, you can see here, first this is a dropping of a goat, and this dropping is what it is. You can get it from anywhere. It is a source of many micro and macronutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, zinc, iron, and many other nutrients that are present in it. All you have to do is take it from anywhere, about 200 to 300 grams, and you have to put in a bucket of firstly bucket of water, which should contain about 4 liters of water, and you have to keep it for about 3 days. And after 3 days you have this kind of liquid fertilizer will be seen. It is very good liquid fertilizer. You can use it only after you dilute it to what it is. We have a little water here. We have about 2 liters of water in a water can, and I will add this liquid fertilizer that we made from goat manure and dilute it to my garlic plants or what you have. Also planted are vegetable plants or other leafy plants that you have vegetable, you can use them, or small ones you have nurseries just ready, like tomato nurseries, or what you have is spinach or other leafy plants or pepper plants, that you can use it in all of them, which are small plants. If you have planted a garlic in this way, ginger or any other, if the vegetable is planted, you can use this fertilizer in a small plants after about a month. In this way, ginger or any other, if the vegetable is planted, you can use this fertilizer in the small plants after about a month. The growth will be quite fast and the plants will be healthy. So now I will tell you how to use this liquid fertilizer. First of all, you have to fill 1 glass of this liquid fertilizer made from goat droppings and put 2 liters of water in a can. You have to dilute it with 2 liters of water already in it. And sprinkle it in all your plants in this way and give it well. You have to do this process again after 20 days. So this way you keep feeding your plants with this powerful formula made from your goat droppings and keep your plants healthy. If you are new to our channel and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hurry up brother, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon button so that any video related to gardening is uploaded, the notification will reach you. I hope you like this short video. Like the video, do and subscribe to the channel.